This question is worth 2 marks, so don't look for too much here. The answer must be simple, and it is. Simply test the left-hand side and the right-hand side and compare. The left-hand side equals 3 times 1 over 3 equals 1. The right-hand side equals minus the square root of 6 times 1 over 3 minus 1 equals minus 1. Therefore, the left-hand side does not equal the right-hand side, and clearly x equal to 1 over 3 is not a solution. Show that the equation 3x equals minus square root of 6x minus 1 has no real solutions. Now this second part is for 4 marks, so you'd better show your workings. Recognize firstly that we're dealing here with a quadratic. I'll show you. Square both sides and we get 3x all squared equals 6x minus 1. Now bring the terms over to the left hand side and we have the quadratic standard form. 9x squared minus 6x plus 1 equals 0. Now 3 and 3 are the factors of 9, so this factors to 3x minus 1 times 3x minus 1 equals 0. So the roots are equal to 1 over 3. And for the first part of the question, we proved this to be untrue. Alternatively, we can prove a general case of the first part. Suppose that there is an x as a solution. Then 3x must be less than 0. The right-hand side must be negative because it's the minus of a square root. Therefore, x is less than 0. But for the square root, that makes no sense because x must be greater than 1 over 6. This is a contradiction. If this is freaking you out, relax. You're not alone. It freaked me out too. Imaginary numbers tend to do that. Makes more sense if you look at the graph. You see that the quadratic touches on x equals 1 over 3, but does not include 1 over 3 as a solution. This function has no real roots.